Kitty, what are you doing?
Dad, Churro scratched me.
Were you lifting him?
No.
Hey. Hey.
He knocked all the clothes off the clothesline.
He's a silly kitty.
I said it was okay.
It was okay if he knocked it over? Since when do you give permission to Kitty to knock everything over? Hey! 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 Silly kitty! What are you doing? Silly kitty!
You're welcome.
Hey!
I think it's sprained.
Stop being silly. Yes, you! You're silly. Silly kitty. Get off. Silly kitty.
About this morning, I'm sorry
Hey.
for, blasting you with all those lasers. I need to learn not to try to incinerate you all the time.
Let go of my underwear. Silly kitty.
At the same time.
No. You're silly. Stop. Stop it. Ow. Ow. You're silly. Ah.